So recently I took a 5-day trip across this beautiful state in Northeast India, also known as Abode of Clouds. I was there with my friend Ankit, and to take you all through the same experience, we filmed all of it. This is our story of Meghalaya. My Meghalaya journey started with a beautiful morning in Guwahati. Guwahati is the largest city of Assam, and because of its good connectivity with the rest of the country, the city has a reputation of being called as Gateway to Northeast. I was eagerly waiting for my friend Ankit, who was supposed to join me for the trip.
What's up, dude? Hi. Let's explore Meghalaya together.
Yeah, we're gonna be here like for next 4 days, and we're gonna go to like places around. So yeah, we'll keep you posted.
I was staying at Hotel Gateway Grandeur, which is known for having good service and food. So we grabbed a quick bite at the restaurant and started our journey towards Shillong. Having studied in IIT Guwahati for 4 years, I have been on these roads before. While I could relive my memories created here, the city has grown leaps and bounds and left me amazed.
I am on my way towards Shillong, and we have taken a stopover to fly a drone and take some shots around. And I'm actually traveling with my friend Ankit Bhatia. What's up, dude? So he's doing his own stuff. So yeah, like we are doing this trip together. We'll be going to Meghalaya for next 5-6 days.
And we'll be filming Meghalaya for 5 days, and we're gonna create something really nice.
Yeah. So yeah, like we'll start from here, and I'll keep you all posted.
Me too.
The place looks so surreal from the top, and it made me think how blessed people living there are, being so close to the nature.
We are just about to enter Shillong, and there is a very beautiful lake right before Shillong that's called Umyam Lake, also known as Bada Pani. So yeah, like we have stopped over here, we'll have some refreshments, and we also take some drone shot of the lake.
Umyam Lake is a man-made lake, formed as a part of building a dam with water flowing in mainly from Umyam River. Every time I have visited this place, it has been a truly fulfilling experience. It was Ankit's first time in Meghalaya, so I was really excited to find out his views about the lake.
Wow, man, कितना मजा आ रहा है यहाँ आके. वेदर कितना सही हो गया अभी.
How was Umyam Lake?
Yeah, it was good. It was good.
As we entered Shillong, weather became very pleasant. By the time we reached our hotel, it started raining.
Just made it to Shillong and it started raining like heavily. I think that's how the weather in Shillong is, like it'll rain for some time and then it stops. But when it rains, it pours really heavily. We are staying at this hotel called Gateway Shillong, which is almost in the center of the city. So we'll just chill out in the room for some time and then we'll head out and explore the town. Room looks pretty good, man.
Amazing. Now we're gonna go upstairs and fly drone and let's see Shillong ऊपर से कैसा दिखता है.
It was beautiful. It was a city covered with clouds. As the sun goes down, the city really comes to life, with busy streets and all that calmness amidst the chaos. Though a lot has changed since the last time I visited this place, but few things remain constant here. The vibe, the food, and the amazingly hospitable people of the town. And that's all for the day. What happens next? Stay tuned for the next part from my point of view, Meghalaya.
We are late, very late.